Yeah.
And it was like, we'd be taking like a right and like going towards like the Verde, and I'm like, look, we're going the wrong way. That's what started questioning me.
Something, oh, I'm waiting for her to come past me real quick now. She can start cursing me out, I'm sure. Dude, I swear she wasn't going to stop. I had that feeling she was just going to try and go for it. And you're supposed to yield to the right away. No. That doesn't.
You had to stop sign, is what she said. But it's a roundabout. I don't think anybody
It's a yield. She said she is 100% wrong. It's yield to right of way. So she wasn't even near the intersection as the time as I went through it. So she's technically supposed to wait, and I'm supposed to go by. Now, if she was there before me, I would let her go.
I don't like roundabouts. They make me nervous. I would
I know.
purposely drive around like the one that's like North Main and Auburn. Like,
Yes, I do the same thing.
I would like, go to like church or something.
Look at this.
Oh, look at the speed. Past that red light. Okay.
You see what I'm saying?